It's your boy Bitcoin Trapper. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's get it. Digital yen would make crypto market more lively, says CEO of Monex Group. We know that with the digital yen or digital dollar, people have more access to digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies. Let's go. Next piece of news. Leading Japanese financial firm SBI Olden rolls out crypto lending service. A subsidiary of a major Japanese financial service firm, SBI Holding, has launched crypto lending service that will allow users to deposit Bitcoin, BTC, and earn interest. Announced on Tuesday, the VC Trade lending service will let users deposit their Bitcoin BTC with SBI VC Trade and earn interest at the rate of 1% annually, with taxes accounted for. According to the announcement, the minimum and maximum amount of Bitcoin users can deposit is zero point 0.1 BTC and 5.0 BTC respectively. The announcement also said the firm will charge no account management fees or membership fees for the service. While the service is being kicked off with Bitcoin, the firm said it plans to expand into other cryptocurrencies including XRP and Ether, ETH. Next piece of news. Coinbase citing regulation ends margin trading service. So if you're using Coinbase and you're trading on Coinbase, you need to pay attention to this. Coinbase Pro, a US exchange for professional cryptocurrency trading, will no longer offer margin trading, citing guidance from the Commodity Future Trading Commission CFTC. The exchange said there will be no new margin trades starting 5 p.m. ET on November 25th. It added that the product will be taken offline in December once all existing margin positions have expired. We believe clear common sense regulation for margin lending products are needed to protect and provide peace of mind to U.S. consumer. Chief Legal Officer Paul Grewal wrote in a brief blog post today, "We look forward to working closely with regulatory to achieve this goal." So like I said, if you are using Coinbase Pro and you're trading on Coinbase, you need to take a look at this. Next piece of news. Binance wraps up crackdown on US user, giving them 14 days to withdraw funds. This is also important if you are in the US. You have 14 days to close all active position on your account and withdraw all your funds, failing which your account will be locked. Once your account is locked, you will have to raise customer service ticket for us to assist you further. It continues. So if you're using Binance and you live in the US, you need to pay attention to this because you do not want to go through a customer service ticket. It's just easier if you just take your stuff off Binance. It just make everything simple for you. This is the next piece of news that is very, very big because with trading volume like this, you know what's going on. A lot of people's coming in. A lot of people is trading. Binance trading volume tops all-time high with 37 billion in a day. Think about that. 37 billion in one day. That is 24 hours. With Bitcoin within 1,000 of its all-time high price of 19,891, set in December 2017. Trading on major crypto exchange Binance is also hitting new heights with more than 37 billion in volume in the last 24 hours. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the daily volume of Binance has now hit 37,291,444,117, up 40.5% in the last 24 hours. Last week, the analytics site reported 25 billion in trading volume for Binance. In addition, Bitcoin BTC futures open interest on Binance hit an all-time high of 1.17 billion, according to crypto analytics site Glassnode. This is some insane amount of volume for 24 hours. I don't know any other exchange or any bank or whatever that is doing volume like this. Congratulations to Binance. Shout out to ZZ. Next piece of news. US intelligence chief raises concern with SEC over China crypto dominance report. The U.S. Director of National Intelligence has written to the Security and Exchange Commission (SEC) over fears that China dominance in the area of digital currency could put the U.S. at a disadvantage. This is something that we've been talking about for a long time, that US is dragging their feet, they're taking too long, and China is moving ahead with this technology and digital currency and crypto. Bitcoin. The US is behind. If the US is behind, all other country is behind. Even us here in Canada. We don't hear a lot about these things going on in Canada. I don't see a lot of people talking about things like this. According to the Washington Examiner on Tuesday, John Ratcliffe wrote a letter to SEC Chairman Jay Clayton earlier in November in an effort to push the agency to bring rules that could make U.S. business to be more competitive. Ratcliffe is said to have raised the fact that over half of the global cryptocurrency mining power is based in China, and that the People Bank of China is already developing its national digital currency. The spy chief reportedly offered to have senior economic intelligence officer brief Clayton on the issues. The examiner said that the SEC did not respond immediately to its question asking if Clayton will accept the briefing. Ratcliffe is also said to have attached a copy of a letter sent to Clayton by U.S. Senator Tom Cotton in the summer stating that the need for clearer policy and formally guidance of digital currency. Clayton will step down from his SEC role at the end of this year. You see what is going on. You see that the U.S. see and know that they're behind China. Next piece of news. This news was a little old. It's from 2 days ago, but I find it to be important. SEC Chairman Jay Clayton explains U.S. crypto regulation calls Bitcoin a store of value. The chairman of the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission SEC has explained how the U.S. government is regulating cryptocurrency. He calls Bitcoin a store of value. Nothing that it raises is driven by the influences. Noting that the rise is driven by inefficiencies of the current payment system. So the chairman of the SEC is saying this. Do you see what is coming? If you do not see what is coming, you don't understand. You need to wake up. Next piece of news. Let's get it. End of Western Union remittance service to Cuba. A boom for crypto. This is good news because the people in Cuba will now have a better way to send and receive money. So if you're sending money back to Cuba, this is very good because you could send directly to them eventually, or soon you'll be able to send directly to them. You could send directly to their phone instead of them have to go to town if they live in the country and go to places like this. And you don't have to pay a $10 fee. With Bitcoin and blockchain cryptocurrencies, you'll be paying probably $1 or $2. I think that's a win. So end of Western Union. Places like this need to disappear. These companies like this is next Blockbuster. Bitcoin is at $19,174.55. If you were into crypto this year, you would have seen that Bitcoin went from around 35 or 3,700 to 19,000 this year. If you're into Bitcoin, inform your friends and family. That is your job to do that. I'm not saying get them into Bitcoin or get them to buy Bitcoin or any other digital asset. Just let them know about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. It is very important for you to pass on the message and help somebody else because opportunities like this do not come every day. It's your boy Bitcoin Trapper. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all already know.